Hi guys, I am going to be unboxing the fall FabFitFun Box. I am so excited because fall is my favorite time of year. They just nail these boxes in general, but fall is always like super exciting for me because I just love the season. I think the sponsor is City of Hope. Box is really, really pretty. It's quite heavy. If you are not familiar, oh wow, the inside's really pretty too. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, they are a lifestyle subscription box that comes out 4 times a year, and it's $49.95. Although if you've never tried it, I do have a $10 off code, so I will put it here, and I'll also put it down in the description box, so it would only cost $39.95 for your first time. It's really nice little change that they've done lately. They give you control over some of the things that are inside the box. So I'm gonna tell you what those are and like the choices that you have, and obviously you'll see what I chose. Admiring Meghan Trainor, looking beautiful on the cover of their magazine. I love these. There's always more in-depth information about the contents of the box, the prices of everything, but on top of that, it's kind of just like a girly girl lifestyle magazine, DIYs, recipes, articles. I always like seeing the prices and values of everything because it just kind of breaks it down. Like I said, each box is $49.95. However, the value of each box ranges from, oh look, Meghan Trainor is rocking these curl clips that we all have been loving. The other really cool thing about subscribing to FabFitFun is you also get access to like their add-ons, exclusive add-ons, which are really good products at major discounts that you can only get if you are a member. So that alone sometimes makes it really worth it. So the total value of your box ranges from $211 to $345.99, just depending on what is inside. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. So there's always like coupons. There's one in here for HelloFresh. There's another one for FabFitFun. This I actually chose. This was one of the things I had control over. This is one of those little turban towels. I love these. I love these. I love these because they're great for drying your hair without the frizz that a towel gives you. And I also use them sometimes as like a shower cap. I'll put my hair up in this in the shower if I'm not washing it. When I come out of the shower, my hair is like perfectly fine. Actually really, really excited about this. I also chose this. This is their gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. I thought this was so pretty, and I'm most likely gonna keep this for myself, but I also thought this would be such a nice hostess gift. If you're going to someone's house for the first time, pair it with a bottle of wine. It's like this marble ceramic plate, and then they give you 2 little utensils. I just think this is beautiful. We entertain a lot, and I always love putting food out on fancy dishes and displays. So that was another thing I remember choosing that I wanted to have. And then I don't know what this is. Wonder Beauty baggage claim for the gold eye masks. Baggage claim gold eye masks. I am a sucker for a good under eye mask patch, and I have never tried the gold ones that I always hear people talking about. So you get 6 of them, and I love these because you can take them, travel with them, throw them in an overnight bag, and they're just really nice and refreshing and hydrating. These are exfoliating sugar cubes from Harper & Ari Sugar Exfoliant Juice Cleanse. I bet these smell really good. Whoa. Stop. I want to eat one. Oh my god, you guys. They smell so good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I want to just read more about these because I don't know. I've never seen these, like how to use them. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Yeah, so I guess you just take 1 cube. They're pretty big, so I feel like you could just take 1 cube to do your whole body. Granted, I wouldn't do my whole body when I exfoliate. I usually do like my elbows, my knees, my feet, sometimes my legs, especially if I'm gonna put some self-tanner on. So there's like 10 cubes in here, and these smell so good. I hope the smell like lasts on my body. This is by Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. Mix crystals with any of your favorite products and apply to face. It has absorbic acid in them. This little thing is $54. That is so interesting. And if you have been watching my videos for a while now, you know I love any products containing vitamin C. It's like the most effective but natural chemical exfoliator, and it just really helps to brighten up your skin. So I will definitely be giving these a try. So let's keep going. A lot of good stuff. Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Instant Visible Repair protects from heat styling. I love Aveda products and they always smell really good. Yep. They always have that like their signature scent. Human and Kind Body Souffle. Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Humankind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin super moisturized. Yeah, it smells really good. Fresh and fruity. It's not greasy either. So appreciate that. And then this, the last thing, I think. Yeah, last thing. I had no idea what this was until I just glanced down. I think this was one of the things I chose too. This is by MICHELE, which is an awesome hair care brand, sold at Sephora. Flat iron. How much is this? $80. Ceramic styler. And the reason I got this was to try waving my hair with it. I saw you could do that. I love the color, and this is like heavy duty, no joke. So that is everything in my box. Let me just tell you the prices of what I got. So the cheese board plate, $30. The flat iron, like I said, $80. The hair towel is $18. Those crystals, $54. Human and Kind Body Souffle is $18. And the exfoliating sugar cubes are $16. In every box, you all will get the Aveda Damage Remedy, the sugar cubes, which so happy about that because you all need to experience this, and the souffle. So those 3 products are in every box. Okay, all members get the chance to customize. I chose the ceramic styler, the ceramic flat iron. You also, in that category, had a choice of an advanced teeth whitening kit, a mystery item, a Anthropologie travel yoga mat, that's pretty nice, and an ultra plush plaid scarf, which I love these, but I have so many, so that's why I chose not to. And then you also get to choose from a cheese plate. So that category, I chose the cheese plate. You also get to choose from Cut from the Cloth striped wallet, this black and white one, or the detox pads, which are great for after cleansing, or a Kate Spade lunch tote, which is really cute. So those are other options. Other items are the Better Skin Lava Magic 3-in-1 cleanser. Looks pretty interesting. The Bobble Bar ear crawlers, which are pretty rhinestoney. And then the vitamin crystals. And then this last category, special membership. So in that category is the hair wrap towel, the mini eye essentials from Trestique, the body boost gel, or the aromatherapy deep relax rollerball. So that's a specific membership you have the option to choose when you sign up. I love all of this stuff. I am so excited about this flat iron, and I'm just looking at it. It does have a temperature turn knob, so you can adjust the temperature. I'm really excited to try these crystals, and if you don't want this for yourself, I would still choose it for your box because this is going to be incredible around the holidays as like an add-on or a gift, like I said, with a nice bottle of wine or some nice, like, good quality cheeses. So yeah, that's everything that was in my fall FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this. My $10 discount code, again, will be here and in the description box below. If you have any other questions, let me know. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.